Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
This is Charlie Pellet. Let's take a look now at some of the stocks on the move today. And joining me now, Bloomberg News managing editor for the Bloomberg Markets Live blog, Christine Aquino. Christine, lots of macro forces driving stocks today. Do want to begin, though, with Best Buy. The retailer did include the Christmas quarter, higher after results. What was going on with Best Buy? What sent the stock up by roughly 7%?
Yeah, absolutely, Charlie. Yeah, definitely Best Buy, one of the best performers today on the S&P 500, ticker BBY. Those shares ended today up by 7.8%. And that is all because, as you say, a very strong holiday shopping season. That was better than expected for the company, probably helped by the fact that they did have a blockbuster Nintendo Switch to release and also a robust replacement cycle that pushed a lot of their consumers to come shop at their stores for this particular period. Now, they did forecast revenue for this year to be in line with Wall Street estimates. A little bit of disappointment there on the margin. And our Bloomberg Intelligence analyst saying that because they're forecasting about a 0.5% gain in 2026 for same-store sales, they're expecting actually a decline for that metric in fiscal 2027, given the very meager forecast for 2026. So we'll see how that works out for Best Buy in the future. But as for today, those results good enough to push that stock up today.
Yeah, interesting, up again by 7.1% on a day, which another prominent retailer, Target, rallied 6.7%. From retailing now to tech, we did hear from Akamai Technologies, the stock up roughly 4.5% today. What was driving Akamai Technologies higher?
Yeah, well, Akamai ticker AKAM, those shares higher as well today, as you mentioned, Charlie. And a lot of news related to its AI capabilities here. So apparently Akamai is acquiring thousands of NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs for the aim of bolstering its global distributed cloud infrastructure. So their goal here is to create a unified platform for AI processes, including R&D, fine-tuning, and post-training optimization. And the idea is that so that they can support rapid inference by reducing latency. So all about AI, and that's definitely been boosting the stock today. Separately, though, we did get a report from Streaming Media Blog saying that the software company has also notified customers of coming interim surcharges and pricing adjustments for contract renewals. So probably helping the stock as well, just given that there has been some cost issues for this company in the past.
Did you know that the company gets its name from the Hawaiian word that means smart, clever, intelligent, or expert?
Wow, I didn't know that, but that makes a lot of sense because they're definitely smart about bolstering their AI capabilities for sure.
All right, Akamai today up by 4.5%. Also news today involving Newmont. We did see the shares drop by 7.7%. What was going on with Newmont today?
Yeah, Charlie. Well, you know, Newmont, ticker NEM, those shares under pressure today, primarily because it is the world's top gold miner, and gold was very much on the back foot today. We did see gold declining more than 4% today. That is the biggest decline in about a month. A lot of pressure there, just kind of getting swept up in the very interesting reaction to the Iran conflict since that broke out over the weekend. But Newmont very much getting dragged by that decline in gold today for sure. But, you know, specifically regarding the company and what it's been doing, we do have Bloomberg Intelligence saying that, you know, Newmont, it did undergo its acquisition of Newcrest recently, but they have yet to show that has delivered a portfolio upgrade. And, you know, 2026 gold volume falling to about 5.3 million attributable gold ounces. And so, you know, a lot of investors still waiting for the payout from that transaction. They're not necessarily seeing it at the moment. A couple of bit of gold declines, a bit of a challenge day for Newmont today.
All right. And in terms of that challenging day, again, down 7.7% on Newmont. Should point out that both gold and silver also declined today.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.